Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are focusing on back and biceps. First thing you're gonna grab is your weight and you're gonna need a band. So grab a couple dumbbells, whatever you have, and try to push yourself while we're doing biceps here. So we're gonna do a quick little warm up. We're gonna drop down and up. And then we're gonna switch and up. Let's do 20. Next exercise, we're going to drop down. And we're going to be kicking back with one arm and one leg. So instead of the standard Superman, we are going to opposite arm, opposite leg, and back. And we're going to do 12 of these. 3, 2, 1, and go.
Boss ass bitch.
Good. Now grab your bands and your weights. Next exercise that we're going to be doing are going to be lat pull downs. So you can do this with the attachment for your door. You can even do it on your railing, anything that you can kind of wrap your band around and pull down. We are going to drop down. We're going to do 12 of these. So with your band, you can also do this with the machine. If I drop this back up and attach the long bar. We're going to drop down, squeeze your shoulder blades all the way down. Make sure you're really squeezing to get that full effect. And we're going to do 12 of those. 3, 2, 1, and go. So you're going to grab your weights, and we're going to do 10 full, 10 half, and then 10 the bottom half. So the way that's going to look is you're going to do 10 full, and then halfway down, and then halfway up. All ready? 3, 2, 1, and 10 full.
Boss ass bitch.
Now, from the top, halfway down, for a time. And full 10. Sorry, halfway up.
Boss ass bitch. Boss ass bitch.
Good. Next, we're going to be doing seated rows. So you can do this with the band here, or you can do it with the machine. With the band, you're going to sit back. I'm showing you this from the back, not from the front. And you want the bands below your hands unless you have the grips. You're going to grab them and you're going to pull all the way back, squeezing your shoulder blades together with a little pause. With a little pause. So again, squeezing your shoulder blades together with a little pause. We're going to do 12 of those. I'm going to do it with the machine. So if you're doing this at the gym, this is what it's going to look like, and we're going to do 12 of these. 3, 2, 1, and pull.
Boss ass
Good, my next exercise, a thicker resistance band here, as if you can't even do a bicep curl. And what we're going to do, we're going to pull that band all the way up and come down nice and slow.
boss ass bitch.
We're going to do 12 of these in 3, 2, 1, and go. And we're going to do 8 of these, if you can. You're doing this at the gym.
Boss ass bitch.
You bring it up. You come down slow.
Boss bitch. Boss ass
You shouldn't be able to curl this.
boss ass
I'm gonna do this 3 more times, and you'll be very sore tomorrow. Thanks for joining in. Tomorrow is glutes and hamstrings. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to like this video, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. See you tomorrow.